What's going on, guys? I'm Alex from Avid Tech, and we're back with another video. Now, I know it's been a little bit since I've uploaded. I know it's been about a month, but I've been out of town for a little bit over the past few weeks, and as you can see, I got cornhole boards in the background. And any of my cornhole players that are in the comments or watching this video right now, I challenge you. I am pretty good. But no, anyway, this video today is we're going to be talking about the Surface Laptop Go. Not the Go 2, that'll be another video, but as we know, if you don't know, Microsoft just unveiled the Surface Laptop Go 2, which is the laptop version, not the tablet version of the Surface product categories. I actually have the Surface Laptop Go here. This is the ice blue color, if you guys can't tell, but very compact, very sleek, very thin laptop. And we're going to be reviewing it, taking a step back. This released actually in October 2020, so almost 2 years this year. So definitely taking a step back and looking back at this laptop to see also how it compares a little bit with the Surface Laptop Go 2, as well as the other Surface laptops that are in its class. The Surface Laptop Go features a 12-inch PixelSense display that is touchscreen via finger or the Surface Pen. That allows your device to be able to move swiftly through tasks and apps that are open that you need to move around on the screen. The Surface Laptop Go and the Surface Laptop Go 2 actually feature the same ports in the same exact location, so they didn't change that. On this one, the power display is on the right, and the left side you have a USB-A, a USB-C, and then an auxiliary port as well for any audio devices that you may be plugging in. And the keys are nice and soft and evenly spaced so that if you're typing papers, do anything for school or just work involvement, the keyboard, then you can definitely use this keyboard without any issue. The only issue that I think they are still lacking on the Surface Laptop Go 2 is the backlit keys. There is no backlit keys on the Surface Laptop Go, so that is a little bit of a downer there on the Surface Laptop Go, but that is what you get with step up into the regular Surface Laptop series. With the 3 and 4 that are still available, you do get that backlit key option. The keyboard does feature your sound keys, up, down, and mute, as well as a play and pause button, and your screen brightness is right there on the keyboard, so it makes it easy to use and navigate for not having to go to the actual settings and do it that way. Now, the Surface Laptop Go, the first iteration features an i5 10th generation. This model here is an 8 gigabytes of RAM installed model. With the new Surface Laptop Go 2, they're bringing in the 11th gen i5 processor, which will help speed up tasks and things like that. In terms of the Surface Laptop Go's display, it's an Intel Iris UHD. The standard UHD graphics are great for just regular tasks, simple things that you're doing on your computer, whether it's just browsing the web, writing papers, educational stuff, whatever the case is that you're using the Surface Laptop for, it can definitely do that pretty well. In terms of gaming and strenuous tasks, running things in the background, editing, videos, stuff like that, production, not that great, but it does okay with the processor and the RAM that it has, the 8 gigabyte RAM. So it does all right. And then the graphics for gaming, you're not gonna find too many games that you can play really well with it versus other laptops. Overall, the Surface Laptop Go, the first edition, is a great budget laptop to get. I've enjoyed mine so far. I've had it for, I got it about 6 months after, or no, about 8 months after it came out. So I've had it for a little bit of time, got a chance to use it for different things like that. So I've been loving it. I know the Surface Laptop Go 2 they released. It's just a little bit of a spec bump for this one. So is it worth it if you are in between getting the Surface Laptop Go and Surface Laptop Go 2? Probably not, honestly. They both come with Windows 11 Home, things like that. The bumps on the Surface Laptop Go 2 are not that impressive in my eyes to get that one versus the regular Surface Laptop Go. So definitely comment any questions down below if you have any more thoughts on that. If you want to see me review any other laptops or any other devices, obviously comment down below as well. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure to give it a like before leaving, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.